Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I have a new Meijer must-do deals video for you that started on January 2nd and it's going to go through the 8th of 2022. I cannot believe I'm saying that. We are in a whole new year. Really crazy. So there's a lot of deals happening this week, especially with the health food, diet kind of things. There's a lot of things going on. So if you are starting anew and you have some sort of New Year's resolution, let me know in the comments what your resolution is. I definitely am going to be going back on keto and all those good things. But before you get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And like I said, I want to know your New Year's resolution. Planning on getting back into the healthy mode, which I have been off for a while. So I'm actually looking forward to this. So let's check out these awesome deals that are going on at Meijer. Alright, if you haven't done this deal yet, it's still available to you. The Mountain Dew Major Melon 20 ounce, regularly priced $1.99. You pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for that back. It's completely free. This has been in my videos for a couple weeks. I have yet to find this just yet. I did find one at Kroger the other day, and I probably should have bought it there and got my freebie, but I decided not to at that time. I don't know why. But it is still available. It's on the app in Ibotta. If you don't have Ibotta and you want freebies or you really want to start saving, Ibotta is the app to do it. I have a link in the description box below with my referral code. Use that to sign up for Ibotta. I promise you, you will not regret it. If you are wanting to coupon in the new year, if that's your new thing is to coupon, then you definitely want to join Ibotta. So use that link in the description box below. Alright, next deal, again, another freebie if you have not done it already. The Just Crack an Egg Omelette, regularly priced $3.49. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta and you're going to get that back, making it completely free. If you've already done the deal, you should have $1 back from Ibotta. So you could grab these for just $2.49. I really enjoyed these and they're not too bad for keto. They're a little bit higher in carbs because I think they put like potato starch in there to kind of keep it fresh, that type of thing. So that's unfortunate. So there are a couple carbs in it, but it's not terrible. So it's a good starting out for me at least. There are obviously different kinds, so depending on what kind you get depends on how many carbs you have, that type of thing too. So, and you may not be doing the same diet I'm doing, and this would be a really good thing for you for that health food starting out. So I don't know, either way, I'm just saying I recommend it. It's a good product. Alright, another one here is the Serena mini treats. So there is a deal going on this week with Serena. When you buy two, you're going to get $4 off. So if you're interested in like the shakes or something like that, you obviously can do that. The cheaper deal, or at least the one that's going to be free here, is the Serena. These are regularly priced $4.49. You want to grab two of them. $4 comes off instantly when you buy two. There are coupons in Smart Source 1-2 that just came out, 3 off 1. You want to use two of them, and they will reduce down to make the product completely free. You will not have any overage. That's the way Meijer works. So you should grab two of these for completely free with this deal. It's a really awesome deal, especially if you like these. I think these are more for like diabetic people. If, let me know if I'm wrong. I know you can definitely eat them on some sort of diet. They're low in calorie and low in sugar, that type of thing. So anyway, interesting little product there. I know I've had them before. They're really good. Not going to grab them probably for myself, but let me know if you use these and if you like them. Alright, next we have is the Light Life Tempa. I think that's how you say it. Regularly priced $4.49. On sale for $3.49. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is $2.49. Do be careful because the Light Life is expiring here soon on Ibotta. So you definitely want to check your Ibotta before you purchase this because you may not have that rebate much longer. Next, we have the Nivea lotions. Grab two of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $5.69. $4 comes off instantly when you buy two. We're going to see a lot of those deals this week. There's also a 3 off 2 and Save 12.12 or a 2 off 1 in perk, and you could use the $1 off one from Save 12.12. So I guess if you would like to do this in two different transactions and you only have one insert, you could actually do that. Final cost is $4.38 total per transaction or $2.19 each. Next deal is on the 9 Elements. So this week, if you purchase $20 in 9 Elements products, you're going to get $4 off instantly. The sprays are also included. They're $4.99, and there is I think a 2-off-1 in perk for them, but it's only for one. So if you're wanting to do the sprays, you obviously could do that. The problem with them being $4.99 is it's going to leave you when you purchase 4 of them, it's going to leave you a few cents shy of hitting that $20 to get the $4 off instantly. So you really have to buy 5. So it's kind of a raw deal there. Obviously, you could combine them with one of these detergents or the softeners for $11.99. Either way, you'd be going over 20. So I put together this laundry detergent deal for you. So grab one of the 9 Elements laundry detergents that are $11.99 and one of the 9 Elements softeners that are $11.99. That takes your total to $23.98. $4 comes off instantly, and we have in perks for both of those. 3-off-1 for detergent, 3-off-1 for softener. So after all of the instant savings and in perks, your final cost is $13.98 total, or just $6.99 each. Coming from $11.99 price, that's a pretty good deal. So let me know in the comments if you use 9 Elements and if you think it's worth that price. It seems a little pricey to me personally, but I don't think that it's worth it. But let me know if it's worth it for you. All right, this is probably the deal that I'm most interested in and I'm thinking about doing. Okay, so let me explain this real quick. So $5 comes off instantly when you purchase $15 or more of these particular products. So Persil, All, Snuggle, or Purex, or combination of them. If you have one specific type, like you just like Persil, then buy 2 Persils if you want to do this deal. If you are really into the Purex, buy 2 Purexes. I think that'll get you over 15, that type of thing. But the in perks are limited 1 per item. So that's where we get kind of where you have to kind of stay within this. So anyway, I put together a deal that this is the best deal per product if you get $30 or more. It's because you'll get 5 off for each $15, and it should come off in the same transaction. So let me tell you about the deal. Grab one of the Snuggle products that are on sale for $5.99. This is a really good deal because a lot of these are $10, $11 products that are on sale for $5.99. You also want to grab one of the all liquid laundry detergents that are on sale for $7.49. One of the Purex liquid laundry detergents that are on sale for $7.59, and then one of the Persil laundry detergents that are on sale for $11.99. Your total is going to then hit $33.06. $10 should come off instantly because you've hit 15 twice. Definitely watch that, make sure that happens, but it should work. 2-off-1 Snuggle in perk, 2-off-1 All in perk, 3-off-1 Purex in perk, and 3-off-1 Persil in perk. Load all of those. They should all come off. Your final cost will be $13.06 total plus whatever tax you might have, or it's going to equal out to be $3.27 each, which is a really good deal on all of these products, and it'll load you up on laundry detergent. If you're not brand specific, this is a really, really great deal. I used to be very Tide brand specific, but Tide has really been getting too expensive, and I found that it really doesn't bother me to use other detergents because I'd be getting them on sales and stuff, and we started using them, and I was like, I actually kind of like other detergents. So now that I'm not a Tide snob anymore, I think I may grab this deal because it's such a good deal, and I think we're getting low on detergent. Next deal we have here is the Bic disposable razors. Grab 2 of them for this deal. Regularly priced $5.59. I know some areas are still $5.19. So some with inflation, some prices have already changed and other prices are lower. So if you have the $5.19 price, you're going to get a better deal on this, obviously. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Plus we have a 4-off-1 in perk. Load all of that together. Your total is going to be $4.39 or $2.19 each for these razors. We also have a pretty decent deal on the Revlon Universal Point Sharpeners. These are regularly priced $3.89. There's a 3-off-1 in perk, making that final cost just 89 cents, which is great. This is the lowest, cheapest product that they have for Revlon with the eye, I guess I should say. You obviously could do something else. It's just your final cost would be more expensive because the product would be more expensive. All right, this is a really good deal. I'm definitely wanting to look into this, especially for the collagen, because doing keto, again, you have to try to take some collagen, that type of thing, to keep your hair and nails and everything. Hair from falling out on keto, I know that sounds terrible, but it does happen. You want to grab 2 of the pink vitamins or supplements. It can be any of their different types. I just said the collagen looks interesting to me. Regularly priced $9.99. They have a great sale this week of buy one, get one. So that automatically makes everything 50% off, which is great. There is a $2.50 off one in perk. Load that. Pay out of pocket for both of them $7.49. That right there is a great deal with nothing else included, because you would have spent close to $20 for these 2. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's a bummer it's a limit of 1 time. If it was 2 times, that'd be really awesome. But final cost would be $5.49 total, or just $2.75 each. Again, you're looking at like a 75% savings there, which is a great deal on this. All right, so if you are one that likes to do pickup, this is a great deal for you, or just go ahead and do a pickup deal this week, because this is a great deal. So grab 2 of the Cottonel toilet papers, regularly priced $16.99. So that's going to bring your total up to $33.98. There's a 10 off 30 in perk for pickup or home delivery. So you want to make sure that you're either picking up or having it delivered to your home. If you are not doing this, if you're going in store to do your deals, then this would not be a deal for you. So you would pay $23.98, but then Fetch also has 5,000 points when you spend 30 on Cottonel, Kleenex, Scott, etc., all those good things. So you'll submit for that. You'll get 5,000 points back, or basically $5 back. Your final cost is $18.98 total, or $9.49 each, which is a pretty decent deal considering these are $17 toilet papers. There is a way to submit to Fetch for an receipt as opposed to taking a picture of the receipt. I've actually never done that because I am very much a go in store type of person. So I'm not sure if that's an easy way to do it or not, but there is a way that you can submit the receipt through the internet. All right, next deal we have here is the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 12 packs. You want to grab 3 of them for this deal. Now they're regularly priced $5.99, so you're looking at close to $18 regularly priced. They're on sale this week, $3.66 each when you buy 3, or 3 for $11 basically is the deal. And then there is a $1 off 3 in perk that is available to you. So load that in perk, pay $10 total, or $3.33 each. Next deal is the Herbal Essence. Grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $6.29. That's going to take your total to $12.58. There is $4 off instantly when you purchase $12 or more in product. Obviously, there's some other items there besides the Herbal Essence. It shows the Aussie, Hair Food, Head & Shoulders, Old Spice, Gillette, or Venus disposable razors. So obviously, if you've got some of those other products there, you don't necessarily have to buy 2 of the Herbal Essences, or you could actually use the overage, the 58 cents overage, and go to $24 to get $4 off of each, the things like that. Anyway, there is a 3 off 2 in perk that goes with these Herbal Essences. Final cost $5.58 total, or $2.79 each. All right, not as good of a deal as actually last week. So last week we had 3 off instantly, and we had a $3 off insert coupon that it expired. So not as great of a deal, but still a decent deal. Grab 2 of the Sambucol, I think that's how you say it, products that are regularly priced $7.99. Totals $15.98. $2 comes off instantly when you buy 2 this week. You're going to use the 3 off 1 in perk that's also available through the end of the month. Final cost is going to be $10.98 total, or $5.49 each. Like I said last week, we were looking at $2 per product cheaper, so $4 total cheaper, which is a lot better deal. So hopefully you grabbed your items last week as opposed to this week. Okay guys, that's all I have for you for these Meijer must-do deals. We don't have a lot of food deals really happening, nothing too exciting. I'm hoping for a better sale next week as we get into the new year, but we do have a few good deals here. If you like these Meijer deals, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you're going to head to Meijer this week. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.